Hello! Do you know how air conditioning works? Well, there's always a good reason to learn something new, and we're going to explain it to you without making it complicated. Trust us. Let's get started. The first thing to know is that air conditioning does not produce cold air, but rather removes heat and humidity from indoor spaces. But how? We're going to break down how the cooling cycle works into just 4 easy steps. Pay attention. We are going to keep track of what is called the refrigerant. 1. The refrigerant flows through the evaporator coil, absorbing heat from the air inside your home. 2. As the refrigerant's temperature rises, it changes from a liquid to a gaseous state, moving to the compressor in the outdoor unit. 3. Once compressed, the superheated gas enters the condenser, transferring the heat to the outside air, cooling the refrigerant and returning it to a liquid state. 4. The cooled refrigerant flows back to the indoor unit, where it passes through the expansion valve to remove pressure before it enters the evaporator coil, ready to start the cycle again. Okay, so you have an idea of how an air conditioner works, but what about all the different components we mentioned? Let's take a closer look. The refrigerant. It transports heat from the indoor unit to the outdoor unit, where the heat is then expelled. The evaporator coil. It delivers cool air indoors and removes the heat from your home. The compressor. This is the heart of the system, located in the outdoor unit, and is essential for transferring heat from indoors to outdoors. The condenser, with its own fan that blows air across the condenser coil to transfer the heat. The expansion valve. This controls the amount of refrigerant flowing into the evaporator coil for improved performance. It's by using these components that your home's air conditioner helps keep you comfortable. And that's how air conditioning works. Just like we said, simple. Now it's time to relax on your couch and keep cool. Enjoy!